Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today, brand new style from Gabor. This is called All the Best and the color is GL12-14, which is Mocha. Now I have reviewed Mocha in the past, but I just got this style. This was provided to me for review by Wig Studio One, so be sure to go over to wigstudio1.com and have a look at this beautiful new style from Gabor on their website. All right, let's get started and look at All the Best. Okay, I want to unbox this for you. This is Gabor Luxury. Again, All the Best in GL12-14 Mocha. It's boxed just like that. Okay, it has a little welcome to your new wig card there. Okay, all right, I want to show you something. This one, the netting has worked its way off of the wig. I have not opened this wig. So this happens, I've had this happen before, and it happens in shipping. You know, these move around in these boxes and sometimes the netting does come off, so I just want you to know that. So yeah, this one has come off. Let me get it out of the bobby pins. It's bobby pinned in. Okay, let me take it out of there and show you. Yeah, the netting has just worked its way off. That's okay. I'm going to take it off. And then we're going to look at this new style. Okay, first of all, beautiful. I want to show you the cap. This has a mono top. It's very soft. This mono top is very, very soft, and a lace front. All right, it has lace that goes all the way to the ear tabs. Open wefted. It's closed ear tabs with stays. Yes, it has an extended nape with Velcro adjusters, and there is a lot of stretch here. So I'm curious to see how this fits. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference, so I am really curious to see how this fits. All right, mono feature, very nice on the front. Now let's have a look at this color, GL12-14. Okay, I can see this is going to be a short, fun style. Has a lot of layers here. Looks like a longer bang. But let's look at Mocha. So they describe Mocha as a dark blonde with medium blonde highlights. Now, looking at this, I don't see a lot of gold in Mocha. You know, when I think Mocha, I think, oh, that might be a brunette, but it's not in this case with Gabor. I want you to see this. It's more of a sandy color, in my opinion, running through here. This is not a shaded color. This is not one of their shaded colors. And I, of course, will show you this in outdoor lighting. Okay, let's try on All the Best. Okay, you know, I'm going to give it a good shake. And let's try it on, see what we have here. Okay. Yeah, this is a lot of layers here. Lace front. I want you to see the lace front here. It goes all the way down to here. The fit is a good fit. This fits me actually a little snug. Like I said, this does have a lot of stretch in it now, so just know that it might fit a larger style. This is cute. This has a nice, really, the nape is fitting really snug to my neck. Again, the fit fits me a little snug, and very good coverage there and there. Ear tabs right here. Okay, let me get those ear tabs bent. Now, first thing you know I always do is I'm going to put some water on it and see what I'm working with here. It's just my way. The very first thing I do when I get a style is I like to see how I can separate the fibers. I'm going to run my hands through here. I'm going to loosen the fibers up. You've seen me do that so many times. This has a little longer piece here. This looks like just a classic short, fun style lace front. Wide tooth comb. I'm going to loosen up this top, loosen up the fibers. Like I said, it has the mono top, so you can part it anywhere within this mono top. Again, I'm going to put a little this. Now this would work great with some styling product, that any kind of styling product you wanted to put in here. I just want to put some water on it first and see what I'm working with. Short style, like I said, very nice nape, fits very good to the neck. Anywhere you move it, it's not going to lift. Yeah, this is a nice summer haircut. I think this would be perfect for the summer, especially down here where it's really hot. Yeah, that's pretty. I like that you can part it anywhere. You could change this up to this side if you'd like. Pull that bang over. That's always nice. Pull it completely off your face if you want to do that. Let's see. Put it on with the headband. Yep, works with that. Let's see a couple different headbands here. I'm going to pull it completely off my face this time and see if I like that. I always pull some down just over the sides just to make it look more realistic. Just pull a little hair out if you're going to wear it completely off your face. You can do that. Yep, let's see. I always like to clip mine. A lot of times just throw a little clip in it, then put those down. Lots of way to wear this. Like I said, I think this would be great with some styling products and really piece this out. Yeah, I like this sweeping. You kind of just sweep the bang over. Can make it really sleek. Now, of course, there's no permatease in the top of this except for a little at the crown. Alright, what about the specs on this one? The bang is 6 inches. So I want you to see this bang. It's a 6-inch bang. Now you could trim this to make a just straight across bang, because you do have this lace front, you do have this mono feature. You can make a full bang out of this. You could also, another nice way to style this would just be pull some of this back, let the bang sweep over. You know, don't get caught up in that thinking, oh, this is a short style, I can't wear it but one way. That is not true. You can wear short hair lots of ways. Just investing in some inexpensive hair accessories, you can change the look completely. And especially something like this that has a mono top, it just offers you so many different styling ways to style it. Just wear it messy, mess it up. That's my way. That's just my preference. I like to wear my hair messy. I think it's so natural looking that way, but you can do it however you want. It's the beauty of wigs. You know, just however your personal preference is to wear them. Now again, it has this 6-inch bang. The nape on this is that short 1.75. Again, this nape is done so well. The way it is so close to your neck. I love that. The sides again are 1.75 is also. Only weighs 2.3 ounces. It's super lightweight. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this short unboxing of Gabor All the Best. Be sure to go to Wig Studio 1 and check it out there, and all the colors it comes in. This is a perfect summer style. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you next time.